that your joystick's broke. Now that your joystick's broke.
Hey everyone, so as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be reviewing the Jeremy Scott MAC collaboration. And if you're interested in this look, please watch my full face of Shop Miss A. Let's say this is not it. The foundation I am wearing today is by Black Opal and Truly Topaz. My concealer and contour are by the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, Toffee, and Espresso. And for my blush, contour, powder, and highlight, I used the Sephora Spice Market palette. So I used this as my contour, this as my blush, this as my face highlight, and this as my nose highlight. So let's get into it. So this is an unboxing and first impressions because I haven't used this yet. The packaging alone makes me believe that they could possibly do well with this Aaliyah collaboration. But we'll see how this goes. Well, my husband bought me the eyeshadow palette and the lip palette. I will open up the lip palette first. Now the packaging is meant to look like one of those, the Maxwell tapes, Jeremy Scott. And then it has like tape stuff, says like position normal, and it says lip X9 base high EQ plus JS spring summer 18, and it has like the people in the background. On the back it has just like the product information, and it says future emotions. This is a package I'm never throwing out. So it's plastic, it's not cardboard like the eyeshadow palette box. Open up, this is what it looks like. It says Bumpin' Gems, Jeremy Scott, and it's in a handwritten font. The outside is like, it looks like it's a tin, but I'm pretty sure it's just a thick plastic. And then when you open it up, you get, this is how the palette looks. So it looks like the EQ levels, and it comes with an insert with all the colors. I don't know how many of these are permanents, but I know Morange is a permanent, Violetta is a permanent, Diggin' It's a permanent. I actually have Diggin' It. I'm assuming all the ones that sound like music are new colors. If you want me to use any of these, if you want me to do a tutorial specifically using these products, let me know and I will make a 90s tutorial. I will say that these pans they look fairly small. So that is it. That's the back. So I like this packaging. I like the use of handwritten typography. I like the concept of this. The reason why I don't have this CD, or my husband didn't buy me the CD, he said he talked to the people at MAC, and he said that we had actually watched the Alyssa Ashley video together, and we saw how kind of ashy the product was for the face. So when he went to the MAC counter, they told him not to buy it because it wouldn't make sense for my skin tone. And the piece de resistance is the MAC Jeremy Scott 29 eyeshadow palette. So it says MAC Jeremy Scott eyeshadow times 29 dual band AF/FM cassette, dual band tuned AM/FM cassette player, super bass kicker, dual tweeter system, eyeshadow X29, JS MAC SS18 or Spring Summer 18, and it has the same type of graphics that are on the tape but in blue. And then on the back it has all the product information and how the palette is to work. Open this without ruining the box. When you open it, it comes in a cardboard kind of covering. It looks like this. And then on the back it has, I guess, like all the different types of eyeshadows and where they are in the palette. So the front, so again, it's kind of the same material as the tape. It feels like it's supposed to be a tin, but I think it's just stronger plastic. So they're detailed, beveled. These speakers are beveled out with like a speaker design, especially the ones at the top are much more. All these buttons across the top, they're all raised, so you can actually feel them. All these settings are either beveled or embossed in. And the cute little Easter egg that I don't see many people talking about is the fact that inside here is the Bump and Gems tape. So inside this is actually this tape, which I think is really cute and really smart and playful. It says Mac Jeremy Scott, and it has all the buttons. I'm old enough to actually have had a boombox or a ghetto blaster like this, so this is bringing back memories. It has a nice weight to it. I do like the portability of this, because even though I understand this is like kind of like an art piece, this makes this portable and thus makes it functional and good looking out. So this is what it comes like. So it has the same kind of insert as the lip palette. Of course, this is just my first impression of it. I do think these are a really smart selection of colors. Off rip, the first one I noticed is the purple Club New Wave Mix, which, love the name. But they have all different types of finishes in here. So it's not just a matte palette, it's not just a shimmer palette, it is a good mix. I feel like I could use this solely on its own for like the rest of the year, but I'm not, because the Leah collection's coming up. I would say the pans are a little too small. There does seem to be a lot of like wasted space. You know, I understand this is the design, so it looks like the EQ levels. I feel like every row except for this one could have had one more color in it. At least one more color, and then I think people would be less concerned about how much space or wasted space, because this is expensive and it does seem to mess up very easily. Even taking the sheet off, there was powder everywhere. It's like an average sized eyeshadow brush. Does it fit? It fits slightly. It just kind of fits in. But whoa, like as you can see, it does kind of come off. So what I like most about both of these is more than just, oh, like it's a new Mac product. I don't get these for free, so not like I have to like these. You know, the level of detail behind this. And I'm gonna compare this to, let's say, the Selena collection, which the Selena collection has me really concerned about the Aaliyah collection, but this makes me feel like there's a chance behind it. This is giving me hope. This is really giving me hope. The level of just care and consideration that went into building something like this and making this a product, and having the packaging look like the real tapes that you could go buy, and then it's inside here, right? Like they go together. Whoever came up with the concept, like, hats off, wigs off to you. You did an excellent job. I hope you got like a bonus. I just think that this is so ingenious. The first thing I thought of when I saw this was, this is something I would make. I would make something like this. Like, this is something I would choose. Like, I would want it to look like a tape. I would want it to look like a boom box. I so get this, and part of me is really happy that this is here. And like, I feel like things like this and like Tiana Taylor's 90s inspired nail salon are things that validate what I do here. I will definitely be doing a video using these, so look out for it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for all of you who subscribe, all my new subscribers. I love each and every one of you so dearly. You guys make my heart melt for choosing to take your time with a little me. I love you. See you guys soon.